Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to create autofill series in the mobile phone. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and share it. And please press the like button. Okay, so if you can see, this is my screen of the mobile phone. If you can see, I'm going to touch MS Excel here. So if you have not installed MS Excel, you can install MS Excel through the Play Store. If you have already installed, in the same way it will open. So if you can see, my MS Excel has opened. I have touched the plus sign and then I have clicked over here. So the blank screen will come. So if you have to create a autofill series, so this is my touch screen. So first I'm going to select it, and then what you are supposed to do, you have to write first steps first. So if I'm tapping it first button, and then I'm writing 1, and then the second letter will be 2. So if you have to create autofill series, so I'm selecting both the cell. Okay, as I have selected both the cell, so there is a fill button. Some options will come, so I'm clicking on fill button. If you can see, as I have clicked on fill button, my pointer has changed. So simply I'm holding that pointer and I'm dragging it as far as you can. If you can see, you can create the autofill series in a very easy manner with the mobile phone. I think you definitely like my video how to create the autofill series with my mobile phone. So please, if you have yet not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you for watching me.